Oh, I'm out of breath. So it's a little bit later in the day today. I've had quite a good day. I've been to the beach. I've gone and bought a new computer for work. Done some editing, learned some new ways of editing. Realised I should hold the camera like this, not slanted. And I've just had a shower. So I don't. I used to love the heat. Absolutely love the heat, and it's not so much the struggling to breathe in the heat, because I get that. It's just now I just feel really hot, and it's only been 26 degrees today, I would say. But I get really hot. It's like my body can't cool down. When I went to Tenerife with Janine about 3 years ago, I ended up in hospital, and what they thought was potentially a stroke ended up being probably heat stroke. My body physically just couldn't cool down. So I've just been standing in a cold shower, which is one of my pleasures. I go in at a normal temperature, and then every 20 seconds or so, I just come down a degree until it gets down to the coldest setting, and it's lovely, absolutely lovely. So I've done that. My skin is looking better. I might have a shave tomorrow and see if I can see properly, but this thing, I can sort of see bumps and that there, but it's sort of gone. New member of staff for the business tomorrow. Janine's in the office, just getting it all sort of ready, and I'm just about to edit a picture actually, for like a flyer, a poster that we're doing. So yeah, a nice relaxing day. Might go for another walk. Did a lot of walking yesterday actually. I ended up doing nearly 8k. I hate it being in kilometres. I know miles, but everything I seem to use is measuring in kilometres. Just over 5 miles, and yeah, quite good. Felt a little bit tired this morning. I got up and then went back to bed and laid down for about an hour and a half. But feeling good at the moment. Feeling really good. Yeah, good weekend. So this picture just came up on my time hop as a nice reminder to me of when I used to go to the gym. Thanks for that, phone. Yeah, I do not have the same frame. Can't see it on this. With my skinny arms. So after look at that, I'm going to go for a walk. It's dark in here because I've got the curtains closed to keep the room cooler so the sun don't come in, so I can go to sleep tonight. Because it was mid-20s in here last night. That's not comfortable to sleep in. Anyway, going for a walk. So I think I need to get back into going for more walks and getting fitter, which was the whole point of my vlogs in the first place. And why I started them, was to keep yourself accountable. So let's do this. Probably can't see that. Smoke. My enemy. Barbecue, I'll say. It's amazing how much a bit of smoke can impact my lungs, really. Oh, well, it was water for a cloud of it. That was horrible. I've never seen a cycle lane before where they make the people walk next to the road and the bicycles next to the houses where people are going to be walking and stepping out of. Ah, I don't know why. Lampposts. That's why. Put a lamppost. Now I'm off. So that's the reason why the bike lanes next to the houses. A lamppost. Still made me laugh though. There's loads of bicycles hammering down and you're trying to get out your house. Yeah. Community seagulls. Absolutely glorious evening. But I live in a town where leaving benches for people to sit on is obviously a problem. Because look at this. So they've stacked one bench top of the other to stop people from sitting on it and padlocked it. What is wrong with people? Seriously? What is wrong with them? Lovely sunset, but I can't see a thing. It's blinding me. So I reckon I've walked, I don't know, 3 kilometres, something like that. It's quite good. Get the lungs working. But seriously, the night's gorgeous. I know I've said that a few times, but it is. All the birds tweeting. Apart from that fire, that weren't good. Well, the smoke. Ugh. Just had loads of parakeets fly over my head and I tried getting them for Graham to show him all the parakeets, but I was too slow. So I'm back in. That was a really nice walk. Sometimes I forget how nice it is just to go for a walk. So far today I've done 4.3 kilometres. Yeah, a little bit out of breath, but I probably should have had a shower now instead of I had one just before I left, hence the fluffy hair. That was a silly idea. Should have had a shower. I've got a shower now as well.